Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to remove and add a new background in CapCut. Before we begin, it's important to note that the Remove Background feature in CapCut is part of the Pro version. That means you will need a paid subscription to access this feature. Now let's start. First, open CapCut and import your picture into the timeline. Once your picture is on the timeline, select the main clip. On the bottom panel, find the option that says Remove Background or Remove BG. Next, you can select Auto Removal or Custom Removal as you like. Click on it, and CapCut will automatically remove the background from your picture. Now you can add a new background. To do that, click on the plus icon to open your library. Browse through the collection and choose a background you like. Next, select your main picture, and from the bottom options, click Overlay. Now, your main clip will appear at the bottom of the background picture. After you play the video again, see how it looks. You should now have your original picture with the background removed with a new custom background added. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.